Can you see? Can you see? We're washed out. Washed out.
Hey, what's going on everybody? I am Dhiman back with the new video, and in today's video I am going to show you the way to get iPhone's Animojis on any Android device. So without wasting any more time, let's roll to tutorial.
I know everything.
First of all, you need to download an application called Animoji. For this, open link from description. Here press on this green download button, wait until it will be downloaded. Now press on this app and install it. Now open it. It may take some time when you open it for first time. Now press on this continue button. If it will not open in first time, then simply go back and relaunch app from the home screen. As you can see here, it requires some permissions. Let us first enable camera access, then allow mic permission, and lastly enable photos access. Here choose emoji style. This application has just 2 animojis as of shooting this video. These animojis are working perfectly well for me. If you want to record your face expressions, simply press on this circle, move your face and speak what you want. Then it will record your emoji as a video. And now you can save video to your device, or you can share this video to social media platforms like Instagram and Snapchat directly from this app. If you want to remove this Animojis watermark, just go back and open Animoji settings. Here disable watermark option. You can also use these Animojis in your keyboard. Just open settings. Here select this use as keyboard option. Now enable Animoji keyboard from here. Then switch your keyboard to Animoji keyboard and enjoy. So that's it for this video. As always, link of this application is in description. If you enjoyed this video or find this video useful, then make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and let me know your thoughts through comments. Thank you all for watching this video. I will see you guys in next one.